This is my DIY haunted house. It's a piece of wood that was cut. I picked it up at the dollar store. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to attach it to this other piece that I put together. It's going to be very cute for fall. And then next, I will be taking down, saying goodbye to spring, summer decor, and hello to fall. Think you'll enjoy that. Once again, to my wonderful subscribers, thank you for joining me. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit subscribe, like, and comment in the comments if you have any questions about my techniques or anything I've put together for this video for decor. I'd love to chat with you in the comments. Let's have fun painting. And they have a lot of cute things you can paint yourself. Put your own little spin on it, your own creativity. I know I'm not going to show the entire process, but I will show you all my finished pieces and how I'm going to arrange them around my mantle and other places in my front room. On the back, I put a coat of gold, just using acrylic paints. I base coated it with this. It's a nice metallic gold. And then this one was from the folk art. And I have an assortment of other color acrylics. This is a slick sheet that's for palette. Comes 40 sheets. It's something nice. I don't know if you can find it. I bought that a long time ago in the craft store at Michael's. So it's nice to put your paints on. An assortment of paints here. So I'm going to continue painting. And I will show you the finished piece. And we'll get decorating for fall. Thanks for joining me. And let's get ready for our fall season. Okay, this is what I have so far. I did some purple, pink. I'm adding fine highlighting with the Sharpie marker, various acrylic paints. I'm going to be attaching it to this. Haven't done it yet. I'll probably be adding a little more embellishments and details. Okay, I just wanted to show you how far along I've gotten. And stay tuned for the finished haunted house. Hoo hoo hoo, spooky. This is just a quick look at before spring summer florals. That's what I have on my mantle. Most of the decor for fall will be on the mantle. So say goodbye to spring and say hello to fall. Next, I will show you the finished fall decor, and I will go over what I did. Enjoy the video. Okay, here it is. The mantelpiece has been transformed to a Gothic garden for Halloween, complete with witches, skulls, and crystal balls with magic potions, witch's brew. These are watercolors that I've done. A lot of things I've purchased. DIY projects. Michael's has a lot of beautiful Gothic inspired pieces. Got this little section, the Witch's Cauldron candle, bone powder, beautiful butterfly potion. This little pumpkin with a light came from the dollar store. A lot of things I have collected throughout the years. There's another beautiful witch and devil costume girls. Another one of my watercolors. Beautifully decorated with black and burgundy roses with little clip-on spiders and a witch's broom. Ooh, enter at your own risk. I think this turned out very pretty so far. I might be doing some further decor. I also added my fall wall hangings, God's Eyes. I will put a description or a link in this description or a link so you can click to see the instructions on how to make this particular one that I made last year. You can make them for any season. My crochet wall hanging, beautiful fall inspired colors. I have one little section that I'm still going to do. It's going to be my table. So that will be next, and I will show you how that turned out. Right now it just has, it's going to be this table, but it's going to be decorated. All right, stay tuned for that. One more look at the beautiful mantle and fireplace section. And a lot of those flowers came from Michael's and the dollar store. Hey, as promised, this table has been transformed for your spooky Halloween season. Here's that piece I was working on, the haunted house, all attached with embellishments. As you can see, it has a little bit of glitter, ghost, giggling jack-o'-lanterns. These are little pumpkins that were grown in the garden. I painted the pink and the white one. That's the natural color. Grateful candle, pumpkin not flavored, pumpkin scented, book of magic spells, hand painted. I picked up that ceramic piece at the dollar store and added my own design. Well, it already came with the spider design, but I did add the magic and the color. Love Immortal book. Well, it's a faux book from Michael's from their collection, Gothic collection. All right, thank you for joining me. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing for your holiday decor for the fall season. This is mine so far. I think it turned out really cute. Also check out that skull with the raven. Fear the raven nevermore. Edgar Allan Poe inspired. Just really like what they have out there today, and well, actually this year, not so much today, but this year. And I also saw some Gothic inspired stuff at the 99-cent store. If you happen to have a 99-cent store, check that out. They have a good selection. Dollar stores, just about all the stores that sell decor. It's all stocked with your fall, your Christmas. A lot of the Christmas is coming in. You know, they just roll those all out up at the same time. So let's do a brief overview. It's looking really pretty, spooky, and fun. All right, till the next video. See you soon. Have a fabulous fall season.